Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we are going to find the sum of this given series. And here's our series: 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus dot 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 plus 1024 plus 2048. And please bear in mind, we are not supposed to be using calculators of any kind. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started, and let's focus on this series once again. And since we are going to find the sum of this given series, and we are not supposed to be using calculators of any kind, so therefore let's make an observation. Let's focus on these two numbers 1 and 2, and we can see we get this 2 by multiplying by its preceding number 1 by just simply multiplying by 2. And likewise, we are going to focus on these two next numbers, 2 and 4, and we can see we get 4 by multiplying by its preceding number 2 by 2. So therefore, this is going to be multiplying by 2. And likewise, we get this next number 8 by multiplying by 4 by 2. And we are going to repeat the very same pattern until we look at these two numbers, 2048 and 1024. And once again, we are going to multiply by 2 as well over here. So therefore, our hint is going to be multiply by 2, since we are getting this times 2 across the board. And now let's focus on this given series once again. And here I have copied down this series 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 all the way to 2048. And I'm going to label this sum of these series as uppercase S. In other words, the sum of this whole series is going to be equal to uppercase S. I'm going to label this one as our equation number 1. And now we are going to use this very useful hint, multiply by 2. So therefore, we are going to multiply this equation 1 by 2. And when we multiply each and every term of this equation, this is going to be simply equal to 2 times S is going to be equal to 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 plus dot 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 plus, and we multiply 1024 by 2, that is going to give us 2048 plus, and finally when we multiply 2048 by 2, that is going to give us 4096. So thus this equation is 2 times S equals to 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 all the way to 4096. I'm going to label this one as our equation number 2. And now in this next step, I'm going to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. And here I have copied down equation 2 and equation 1. And now we are going to subtract. So I'm going to change the sign. This positive become negative. This positive become negative, 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 negative across the board. And now when we subtract, we can see on the left hand side 2S minus S is going to be giving us simply S. And on the right hand side, when we subtract this negative 2 and 2 is gone. Likewise, this negative 4 and positive 4 is gone. Negative 8 and positive 8 is gone. And the next number is going to be negative 16 and positive 16, they are gone. Likewise, this number negative 2048 cancels out with this positive 2048. So therefore, we are only ended up with these two numbers, negative 1 plus 4096. So therefore, we can write down negative 1 plus 4096. And when we simplify, add, that is going to give us 4095. As you can see in this next step, our S value turns out to be equal to 4095. And now I'm going to label this as our equation number 3. So thus we are ended up with these two equations, equation 1 and equation 3. And now we are going to compare equation 1 and equation 3. And now we can see the left hand sides are identical. Both of them are uppercase S. So therefore we can equate this right hand side with this right hand side as well. As you can see in this next step, we can see the sum of this given series turns out to be equal to 4095. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, the sum of this given series turns out to be equal to 4095 without using the calculators. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.